Are you still installing your NVIDIA driver the normal way and losing performance without realizing it? In this video, I'll show you how to clean install your NVIDIA driver and optimize NVIDIA settings for maximum performance. By the end of this guide, your system should feel smoother with higher FPS and better overall responsiveness. So guys, first open NVIDIA Control Panel. Once the control panel opens, look on the left side and click Manage 3D Settings under the 3D Settings section. Make sure you stay on the Global Settings tab so the change applies to the full driver. Now, slowly scroll down through the settings list until you find Shader Cache Size. Once you locate it, change Shader Cache Size to Disabled. This temporarily stops the NVIDIA driver from creating new shader cache files while we prepare for the clean installation. Think of this like turning off a machine before cleaning the workshop. If the machine keeps running, new dust and mess continue building while you're trying to clean everything. The same thing happens here. If shader cache keeps generating, old files may rebuild during the process. By disabling it first, you keep the cache frozen so the clean install starts with a proper, fresh foundation. After changing the setting, click Apply at the bottom right so it saves. Now guys, press Windows key plus R together on your keyboard to open the Run window. Once it appears, type %local app data % and press Enter. This will open the local app data folder where Windows and NVIDIA store temporary cache files. Inside this folder, first find the folder named NVIDIA and open it. Now open the folder called DX Cache. Once it opens, press Ctrl+A to select everything inside, then press Delete to remove all the files. This clears old DirectX shader cache files created by previous drivers and games. Think of this like removing old blueprints from a workshop. If outdated plans stay there, the system may keep using them and create performance issues. Fresh files work better with a new driver. Now go back one step into the NVIDIA folder, then open GL Cache. Again, press Ctrl+A and delete all the files inside. This clears OpenGL shader cache data that may also contain outdated files. Think of this like cleaning a second storage shelf that still holds old parts. Even if one shelf is clean, leftover clutter on the other side can still cause problems. Now go back again to the main local app data folder. Scroll through the folders and find D3D Cache. Once you locate it, right-click on the D3DS cache folder and delete the entire folder completely. This removes Windows Direct 3D shader cache so the new driver can rebuild it from scratch. Think of this like clearing temporary notes that Windows made for the old setup. Keeping them can confuse the new installation. If any file says it is currently in use, simply skip it and continue deleting the rest. That is normal because some files may still be active in the background. By clearing both NVIDIA and Windows shader caches, you give the new driver a completely fresh start, which helps reduce stutters and improves shader performance after the clean install. Alright guys, now open your browser and search for NVCleanstall. Download the tool from the official source, then install it just like a normal application. Once the installation is finished, open NVCleanstall. When the program launches, let it automatically detect your GPU. After detection, choose the latest recommended driver from the list, then click Next. Now you'll see several optional settings. We're going to build a cleaner and performance-focused NVIDIA driver install. First, enable Disable Installer Telemetry and Advertising. This removes tracking and ad-related components from the installer. Think of this like removing unnecessary passengers before a race. Less extra weight means cleaner performance. Next, enable Perform a Clean Installation. This wipes old driver profiles and leftover settings before installing the new driver. Think of this like repainting a wall after scraping off the old paint first. The fresh layer applies much better. Now enable Disable Multiplane Overlay, MPO. This disables a Windows display layer that can cause flickering, stutters, or unstable frame times on some systems. Think of this like removing a shaky extra glass panel in front of your monitor. The image path becomes cleaner and smoother. Next, enable Disable Ansel. This removes NVIDIA's screenshot and camera hooks that many gamers never use. Think of this like uninstalling tools you never touch but still take up space. Less background clutter helps responsiveness. Now click Show Expert Tweaks to reveal advanced options. After that, enable Disable Driver Telemetry, Experimental. This stops background driver tracking tasks that can run silently after installation. Think of this like turning off apps secretly running in the background on your phone. More resources stay available for gaming. Next, enable Message Signaled Interrupts, MSI. This allows the GPU to communicate with the CPU more efficiently. Think of this like replacing a slow doorbell with a direct intercom line. Messages arrive faster and smoother. Once all options are enabled, click Next, then choose Install. When the official NVIDIA installer opens, select Custom, then continue the installation process. When you reach the custom installation screen inside the NVIDIA installer, this is the most important part, because here you decide what actually gets installed on your PC. You don't need every extra component NVIDIA offers. Many optional features install extra services, background tasks, or drivers that most gamers never use. During this screen, keep only the essentials selected. First, make sure graphics driver is checked. This is the main driver your GPU needs to function and deliver gaming performance. Think of this like the engine of the car. Without it, nothing moves. Next, keep PhysX system software checked. This is used by some games and physics-related tasks, so it's safe to keep installed. Think of this like suspension parts on a car. Not always noticeable, but useful when needed. Now uncheck optional components you do not need. Uncheck HD audio driver if you do not use audio through your monitor or HDMI device. This removes an unnecessary audio driver running in the background. Think of this like installing speakers in a room you never use. After selecting only what you need, continue the installation. By installing only the core driver components, your system stays cleaner, lighter, and avoids random background driver activity, which helps improve smoothness and overall stability during gaming.
Now guys, open NVIDIA Control Panel again,
and click Manage 3D Settings under the 3D Settings section. Now, we're going to change a few important settings for lower latency and better gaming performance. First, find Low Latency mode and set it to Ultra. This reduces the number of frames waiting in queue, so the GPU responds faster to your inputs. Think of this like removing a long waiting line and sending your command straight to the front desk. Less waiting means faster response and lower input delay. Next, locate Power Management mode and change it to Prefer Maximum Performance. This keeps your GPU running at higher clock speeds instead of slowing down aggressively. Think of this like keeping a car engine in sport mode instead of constantly dropping into eco mode. That helps maintain stable FPS during gaming. Now, find Texture Filtering, Quality, and set it to High Performance. This reduces unnecessary texture workload, so more GPU power goes toward FPS. Think of this like telling workers to focus on speed instead of polishing every tiny detail. That can improve performance in many games. Next, locate Shader Cache Size and set it to Unlimited. This allows the driver to store more compiled shader data, helping reduce stutters after updates or new game loads. Think of this like keeping more tools ready in your garage instead of searching every time you need one. That helps improve frame time consistency. Finally, find Vertical Sync and turn it off. This prevents forced frame synchronization that can cap FPS and add delay. Think of this like forcing a fast runner to wait for someone slower before moving again. Turning it off gives smoother performance and lower latency. After changing all these settings, click Apply at the bottom right so everything saves properly. Alright guys, after this clean install and optimized NVIDIA setup, your system should now run smoother with better FPS, lower latency, and fewer random stutters. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more real PC optimization tutorials.
Area designated a fuck 'em up zone.